there! We're here in the garage and today it is very cold. There's not a whole lot of insulation on these garage doors. We're going to cover them up. We went and bought a garage door insulation kit here from our local big box store down the road. We're going to go ahead and put it on and see how it does, see if it gets a little warmer for us. So we're just finishing up on the garage wall, the garage door, and it looks pretty good, I think. I can already feel the warmth emanating from inside the garage and being blocked from the coldness of outside, so I think it's working pretty well. Thanks for watching.